All right, so this car's got 2 ignition switches. This is the one that's, this is the original switch. It controls the gauges and everything. Horn button, light switch, fuel pump. This is your start button, your start switch. This is a neutral light. I haven't exactly figured out what that light is yet. Sorry about that. Then you have, of course, your gauges, and this knob is you pull it out for the wiper control. Then down here by your parking brake handle, you have a hidden switch, which is for the actual engine controls. This is for the, because it has a motorcycle engine, this is the motorcycle switch to control the ECU for that. And then once you do that, turn on the fuel pump. It has to be in neutral. That green light needs to be on. I might not have the sequence right here. I don't think I have the sequence right, Glenn.
Okay.
There we go. I just cut the ECU switch off and back on. I think it had timed out. I already had it on for a minute.
Okay, gotcha.
And then basically once you start it up, the car has air ride, but as soon as you start it up, it will.
Let me go over here.
Yeah. As soon as you start the car up, it will go to the correct preset ride height for driving, and it's indicated right here. It says preset ride, so you know that it's at the height that it needs to be to ride. And then it's supposed to be when you hit this switch here 3 times, 1, 2, 3. It'll lift it all the way up, and that's for moving the car around. It gives you maximum ride height, though you can't drive it that way because the axles will bind. And it does it pretty quick. As long as it's the battery is full, it'll do it pretty quick. It'll tell you little faults in this corner if there's a problem. Mainly it'll either say you have low voltage or the tank pressure is low. If it's low voltage, just either charge up the battery or run the engine. And if the tank is low, just let the pump run for a while. And then to get it back to your presets, you see it also indicates that we're high. We're on the high. To get back to your ride height, press this 3 times, the center button. It'll drop down to its preset ride height and level everything out. And you'll see these numbers are going to change based on the load that's in the car. So these pressures will be higher on the driver's side when you just have a driver, and then these pressures will go up when you have somebody on the other side to maintain that levelness. And then to set it all the way down, hit this button 3 times, and it'll drop all the way to the ground, as low as it can. And it does all of this rapidly as long as it's got correct battery voltage and everything. So that's the basic rundown. We'll get it back up to its preset ride height. Of course, you've got your turn signal switch here. This one, because it's a motorcycle engine and transmission, does not have reverse. It is not equipped with reverse. So you only have forward gears. And to control the forward gears, it's like a motorcycle. So first gear, you're going to take the shifter knob and you're going to go down with the shifter knob. So you'll see we're in neutral now because the green light is on. So first gear is going to be down. That's first gear.
Yep.
And then to go into second and the higher gears, you're going to go up. We'll put it in neutral when it's sitting here like this. Then you do it again. I think we have to be driving.
You have to go first.
Yeah.
Gearbox. Yeah. So first is down, and then second, third, fourth is up.
Yeah, it should be
just
up.
like a motorcycle.
Yep, just like a motorcycle.
Gotcha.
Exactly. But you actually have hand controls in a foot pedal instead of like in a motorcycle.
Right.
So that's the basic rundown on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.